Hey everybody, happy Chinese New Year! Kong Si Fa Chai! Today we'll be checking out the exclusive Dragon Dance Chinese New Year Lego set. So it's not unusual for Lego to do holiday themed builds, but a full-on Chinese New Year set is definitely one of a kind. Today we'll be looking at the Dragon Dance set. This set is exclusive to the Asian market. It has 5 minifigures in it, including 4 Dragon Dancers and a pig mascot. Appropriate since it's the year of the pig in 2019. The build itself is pretty simple to assemble, with the instructions breaking it down to 4 easy steps. Though we wouldn't recommend children younger than 9 to play around with this set. The dragon alone has many very small parts, which adds to the intricacy of it all. When I was 9, I entered this Bionicle building competition at Wanatama. You did? I lost. Why? Because everybody else was 12.
And you were?
I was 9. Ocean child calls me. This my shit. All the bones gonna be like this. Next we have Dennis. He's Derek's brother. He's more happy-go-lucky. You know, he's like, yeah, I love doing this, you know? You know, he's my favorite. Dennis, you know, he's happy to do it. You know, he's not doing it for the glory, he's not doing it for the fame. No, he's just doing it because it's Chinese New Year. It's the right thing to do. Now the crank on the side of the build activates a series of gears that will push the pieces up and down, emulating the verticality this traditional dance is known for. Making the scales all belong. You guys, we gotta fight that thing. Everything can be a monster if you think about it.
Though we gotta say, there's a lot of repetition with the dragon build, since you have to build all 6 segments of the thing one by one. Overall, this is a great set and can definitely be the centerpiece for any Chinese New Year party. There's some cool exclusive prints for the minifigs, and the build is fun and interactive. My name is Dale, and I'll catch you next time. Happy Chinese New Year, everybody!